Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover D300 Vogue SE in Santorini Black. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in March 2023 and has done 16,486 miles. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology. So you have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 21-inch 7 split spoke silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, and a 3-zone climate control, allowing all passengers to set their own temperature. You also have a powered tailgate, which is ideal if you have your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And you do also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you also have privacy glass and keyless entry. Going in towards the driver's side, you have aluminium Range Rover script tread plates, a leather steering wheel, grand black veneer for a sleek interior, perforated leather seats, and a fixed panoramic roof, allowing a lot more lighting to the car and really brightening up your interior. You also have soft door close. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the car and show you all the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, which making motorway driving safer and easier. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is practical for long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view and change your display, for example if you want a full map in front of you, vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, driver assistance and trip. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple Carplay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to having a bigger car. On the next page, you can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective in the dark. Down on this screen you have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions. Along with heated and cooled front seats, which are practical for winter and summer. And finally, in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Range Rover D300 Vogue SE in Santorini Black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.